Hello guys, welcome to your first Java tutorial, and in this tutorial guys I'm gonna be teaching you what the class, method and statement is, and we will print a hello world to the console view. So let's dive in guys. So what's the class? Class is like an apartment. Apartment has a house, or it may have houses, and a house may have one room or may have a lot of rooms. The same here guys in Java. In Java we have a class which serves as an apartment, and inside this class we have a method or methods which are like houses, and inside the method we have statements like rooms in our houses, and everything inside this method is actually a statement. So statement should end with a semicolon guys. So let's see it in more example. So guys, here's our class and public class, and here is the class name. Class name should be capitalized, and guys you cannot put white spaces between them. So each following word should be capitalized and they should be combined. So public static void main is our method. The name of a method is main. So guys, everything is inside this method executes when we run the code. So public static void main string args is our method header, and inside this curly braces we have our main method, method body. So if we want to print hello world to the console, we should use System.out.println, which prints to the console view. We should pass an argument inside this double quotes hello world. And guys, every statement should end with a semicolon, so don't forget to put that. So let's run it. And here is the output guys, hello world. And we have also a second variation which is System.out.print. The difference between them is that System.out.println prints the text and moves to the second line, whereas System.out.print prints the text and stays on the same line. System.out.print hello world prints the text and stays on the same line. So whatever comes after that line, after that text, will be printed on the same line. System.out.print Java is fun. So Java is fun will be printed on the same line as hello world. So let's run it guys. So here's hello world, Java is fun. We printed Java is fun on the same line as hello world, and that's the difference between them. If you type here print ln, if you put here ln, it will print on two lines. So that's the difference guys. So that's it for today. In the upcoming lessons we will learn about variables. I have a task for you guys, and here's the task. You should complete that. And guys, if you have any questions, just comment below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing and hit the like button. See you guys.